Disturbing, shocking criminal negligence in Delhi. A baby care hospital for the newborns had a fire that led to the loss of 7 newborn babies. This loss of life is not simply because of an incident. This hospital in Vivek Vihar area of East Delhi have now further disturbing details coming in. While the police have arrested Dr. Naveen Kichi, the owner of the baby care newborn hospital in Vivek Vihar, a doctor named Dr. Akash, who was heading the hospital shift at the time, has also been taken into custody. IPC section 304-308 have been registered. But here's what major lapses were discovered. No arrangements to extinguish the fire. No emergency exits. All of this is a part of basic fire protocol. But the worst is, the license of this baby care newborn hospital expired on 31st March. For 2 whole months, this hospital for newborn babies was running. The documents of the registration of the nursing home in Delhi government that the baby care hospital was being run over capacity, way beyond the number of babies that should have been there. Magisterial inquiry has been ordered into this Vivek Vihar Natal Hospital fire tragedy. But imagine the grief of the parents, a moment of happiness and their newborns killed in this manner.
हमने डॉक्टर जो उसके संचालक हैं डॉक्टर नवीन खींची जो वेस्ट दिल्ली में उनका एड्रेस है घर का और वो उनको हमने अप्रीहेंड किया इसमें। इसके अलावा हमें पता चला कि उन्होंने 3 BAMS डॉक्टर भी इसमें रखे हुए थे, तो उसमें से एक डॉक्टर जो ऑन ड्यूटी थे डॉक्टर आकाश, उनको भी हमने अप्रीहेंड किया है। 5 बेड के हिसाब से जितने सिलेंडर्स का ऑथराइजेशन था उससे ज़्यादा सिलेंडर उन्होंने रखे हुए थे, 32 सिलेंडर्स थे। तो ये भी इससे इनके लगता है कि इंटेंशनल ये सारी चीज़ें इन्होंने करी है जानबूझते हुए, तो फिर हमने धारा 304 कल्पेबल होमिसाइड नॉट अमाउंटिंग टू मर्डर इसमें लगाई है।
जिस प्रकार आगजनी की दुखद घटना हुई है वो अत्यंत निंदनीय है और इसमें साफ तौर पर जिम्मेदार अधिकारियों की लापरवाही सामने आई है। वहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन की जिस तरह रिफिलिंग की जा रही थी वो बहुत ही हजार्डस था। हमने अपने एक सदस्य को वहाँ भेजा था, वो विजिट करके आई हैं। जैसे उनकी फाइंडिंग हमको मिलेंगी हम दिल्ली सरकार को नोटिस करेंगे और भारत सरकार को अपनी कार्यवाही से अवगत करा के उचित रिकमेंडेशंस करेंगे।
किसी अचानक कारण से आग लगना एक बात है, मगर मैं पिछले जब से सांसद हूं कम से कम 20 भयावह आग देख चुका हूं, 40-40 लोगों की मृत्यु देख चुका हूं। मैं प्रार्थना करना चाहता हूं मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल से कि आप थोड़े दिन के लिए अगर आए हैं बाहर जेल से, क्या आप इसकी समीक्षा कर सकते हैं? क्या आपके मन पे नवजात बच्चे जिसके जीवन में उजाला फैलने वाले थे चले गए?
ये बहुत ही दुखद घटना है, मानवीय घटना है और इस तरह की घटनाओं के लिए जो है हमेशा सतर्क रहने की ज़रूरत है और जब कोई सतर्कता पर्याप्त नहीं होती, कोई न कोई कारण होता है, इस तरह की घटनाएं हो जाती हैं, दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है। भगवान से प्रार्थना करते हैं कि उनके परिवारजनों को ये दुख सहन करने की क्षमता दे।
It is deeply disturbing to think what the families presently must be facing who lost their newborn babies to this incident, clearly a man-made disaster. Shreya Chatterjee is telling us about and updating about the investigations in this case. Shreya, you tell me, because for 2 months, isn't it correct, this hospital was being allowed to run? Who can and will be taking action in this case? Because just 2 arrests that have taken place, but is that enough?
Well, Pooja, this is actually a very unfortunate incident that has led to the death of 7 newborn babies. Now, as of now, this incident, after it has taken place, the Delhi police has arrested the owner and the doctor who was present on duty and had escaped the place when the fire started. The Delhi police has also slapped serious charges, but very pertinent question that you asked, and to point it out, that in this particular case, in 2021 itself, there was another FIR filed against the hospital. In 2021, also the issue was of non-registration and about a harm that was caused to a newborn baby. So clearly we see that there is a complicity that is lacking so far as the local authorities are concerned. So there needs to be a high-level investigation because 7 lives have been lost of newborn babies. Delhi police was arrested Dr. Naveen Chichi, but clearly more heads need to roll because there are other required norms that need to be filled for a nursing home to be registered, and there are definitely serious loopholes that have been exhibited in this particular case.
Exactly. Why would a hospital even be allowed to run if it doesn't have fire safety protocols, if it doesn't have the clearance, if its license is not checked? This is literally playing with the lives here. Thank you very much, Shreya. Keep updating us on what's unfolding in this case. And are there other hospitals like this, nursing home, dealing with children like this that are being allowed to run in Delhi or any other state? Because for the people of National Capital, when the news was confirmed that newborn babies, 7 newborn babies at least, have been confirmed killed. And I use the word killed because this is not just an incident of fire.